Oh, hey everybody, Lewis here. Our Shack barbecue and other things. Well, here I am. I'm going to call this the Our Shack Love Shack. More on this later in future videos. But anyhow, wife and I were talking about dinner, and she's like, you know what'd be good? Cheeseburgers. And I said, oh yeah, that would be really good. We can do cheeseburgers. So I'm going to bust out my limited edition red kettle with the griddle plate that I made for it, and I'm going to be making what is kind of a takeoff on the Five Guys burger, but I'm going to call it the One Guy burger. So we'll get into this. I'll show you what I do to prep the ingredients, basically the same thing that Five Guys does, with a couple twists, and then we'll throw them out on the kettle, grill them up, grill up some onions, put the burgers together, maybe do some onion rings, frozen ones though, and pick out on some burgers. So stay tuned.
Regulators. You regulate any stealing of his property. We're damn good too. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
Regulators! Mount up!
Okay, for tonight's burgers, I'm actually going to do two ways. I bought some pre-made patties out of 80-20, 80% lean, 20% fat. And then I also just bought some hamburgers, same 80-20 mix. And I kind of split it into 3 balls here. And I'm going to use, I picked this up last year at Walmart when everything was on sale. It's a Weber burger press. On one side, you're supposed to be able to make like a half-pound burger, and if you do it on the other side, it's supposed to be a quarter-pound burger. I've never used it. We'll see what happens. I am going to go ahead and hit it with some oil here, so maybe that'll help keep everything from sticking. I'm going to try a half-pound first, see what happens. Set it in there. Obviously that didn't work out too well, so let's flip it over, see what we get here. Oh yeah, that's better. You can see it pressed it right around. And got yourself a nice little patty there, actually. Then I got some parchment paper that I'm going to stack these up on. So let's do our next one. Yeah, that's just right there. Make it just about any size you want there. That works pretty good. Handle comes off. There we go. And one more. There we have paper. 3 more patties. Ready to go out on the grill. That worked pretty good actually. Might pick yourself up one of these. Okay, so I have 1 yellow onion, cut it in half. And I'm going to actually cut this in some pretty big chunks here because I'm going to grill this, and they're going to reduce a little bit in the size. So I'm going to take it and make some nice grill size onions for it, something like that. Let's get it all in the bowl here. Getting it all ready to go out on the grill. So, kind of broken up in this here. So yeah, that should grill up nicely. Reduce down in size a little bit. So something like that. Got her onions ready. Now my wife, she likes red onion, so I just cut up some rings for her. I don't think she'll want it grilled, but when she gets home, we'll determine that. Okay, for the tomato, here's a little tip that I like to do. I like to put it in the freezer for about 10 minutes, and that just kind of firms them up a little bit. Makes it a lot easier to slice into slices. And we'll get one more. There you go. Tomatoes. Okay, let's assemble this one guy burger. But first, my drink's a little low. So, cheers everybody. Let's get a little more in. A bit of R&R in there. Top her off some Coca-Cola. Original Coke, that's my favorite. Cheers. That R&R apple is so good. I'll tell you that. Alright, so we have our burger here, so let's take our bun, bottom section, and we'll just hit it with some mustard here. Like so. Then we'll come in with some ketchup. We're going to take some of these grilled onions, put them down on the bottom like that. A few more. Gotta love grilled onions. We'll go ahead and take our patties, stack them up on there. I like cheese, so I'm going to add a little more cheese to it. Something like that. Alright. I'm going to take a slice of tomato, put that right on top. A little bit of lettuce, kind of put that on there. Why not? Let's put a couple rings of the red onion on here too, like so. Then we're gonna go some pickles. Gotta love pickles on burgers. Something like that. Then for the top, I'm gonna come in and we're gonna hit it with some mayo. So there's our burger. Cheers, everybody. So I don't even know how I'm going to get this burger in my mouth. I'll cut it in half. We'll give it a try. There's been a lot of epic burgers going on lately, so I decided I'd try this. I watched Greg over at Ballistic BBQ do his copycat Five Guys. I like Five Guys a lot. We just don't have them around here. So I kind of added my own things to it. And let me tell you, we will try and get this burger into our mouth. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Wow. Those onions, those are perfect. The burger is perfect. The cheese, oh. Pickles, lettuce, tomato, so good. Probably got to run it down my face, don't I? You know it's a good burger when it drips to your elbow. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video and grill on. Dang, that's so good.